Good day, technology users. I am Pauline May de Pedro and I'm with my partner,
Ruby and Ramos, and we will be your speakers for this video.
In this video, we chose 3 emerging ethical dilemmas and policy issues in science and technology. We aim to discuss what the issue is, how it works, how it affects the society, what solutions are made, and what possible solutions can solve the issue.
First, let's discuss pseudoscience of skincare. Living in this world where it is important for us to be well presented physically, we will surely do our best to have a beautiful and pleasing appearance. With this, skincare products become a trend in this season and you can see them anywhere, but most likely online, where online shopping has also become a part of our lives. Due to the rising trend, many products and tools have been invented through the use of technology. Just like physical beauty, they tend to persuade people of its beauty. However, most of these devices are supported by little or no credible empirical proof. Even research conducted by the manufacturers isn't very compelling because it typically involves a small number of test subjects and no other lifestyle information about people involved for context. Unfortunately, most customers do not see this because they are eager to satisfy the desire to appear physically well presented. Believing in something like this is a part of science, and having scientific method while it is incorrectly claimed is what we call pseudoscience, and it has an impact on our society.
AI and gamification hiring. In much less than a half century, the growth of computer technologies has changed the world as we know it. But advancement does not stop there. Computer technology is still evolving at a fast pace. Gamification and artificial intelligence, or AI, have been there for a while, but the opportunity to use these two technologies is always around the corner. AI has invaded the world now that we are in the fourth industrial revolution, or FIR. This category includes technology, Internet Things, and robots. On the other hand, gamification in general is the application of usual game elements to other areas of operations, typically as an internet marketing scheme to engage users with a product or service. With this regard, digital advancement and progress have resulted in a slew of new talent identification and assessment tools. Most of these technologies promises to assist organizations in finding the right person for the right work and screening out the wrong people for the wrong job positions. It is cheaper and quicker than before. Through this, we can see how these two functions in the field of business and how it helps organizations in hiring people. We can totally agree that technology gives people an instant gratification and process. It should be noted that the relationship between character and work performance is context dependent. This is the reason why it must implement correctly, because if it happens, they can quicken up the various procedures and information tasks while still requiring humans to perform their duties as it should be. Because we know that in the end, the humans are still the ones who control and perform the works. Deep fakes. In this day and age, information and data can easily be accessed. People can be educated and informed about various issues affecting the world. This is what technology brings us. However, everything good has a negative impact. While technology and the internet do inform and educate us, they also provide us with false information and are major sources of fake news. This is the core of deepfakes. Going deeper to its context, deepfake technology can smoothly stitch anyone in the globe into a video or photo in which they did not take part. In short, even if you are not participating in that specific act, your face can easily input into the internet. At this point, we are aware of the problem it poses to the world, and while we have laws in place to address these incidents, the problem persists. This is the reason why we promote media literacy. It is proven to be one of the effective ways to deal with the effects of deepfakes. If people are educated enough on how to use things that technology brought us, then this case will be lessened. But the best way to stop this act is to stop focusing on the fake and start focusing on all the surrounding knowledge that frames every precisely defined piece of information in virtual worlds.
Those discussed were just some of ethical dilemmas in science and technology. I hope you learned so much in this video. As a technology user, please be a responsible one. Thank you and have a great day.